Okay, so for the target AI, I'm going to immediately let you hear from the vendor and let you look at this page. It is quite a neat targeting thing to really make sure you get your lion's share of the traffic for grabbing all of the crazy good opportunities out there. Now, here's what I wanted to bring to your attention. So we're going to give you here the opportunity to get the personal. And this supercharged one, I just want to bring this to your attention. If I go to the Target AI vendor page, okay, you can see it up there. That's OTO1. If I go there and I click on this buy button, and then we're going to go over to the Warrior Plus, you're going to see this is $147 all by itself. All by itself. So here, you're going to be able to get the supercharged for peanuts. Or you're going to have an option to buy this plus this for peanuts. And then you're going to have an option to buy this plus this plus this at a ridiculously low price when you consider what the retail value for each of these is.
Did you know that there is a way that allows us to access only the buyer's traffic in YouTube? I know it may sound weird, but let me explain. YouTube is the second most visited website on earth. Every day they get billions of visits. And we created the ultimate AI system that allows us to access only the buyer's traffic section of YouTube. All what we have to do is just 30-second setup, and we are done. That's how easy it is. It works in any niche, in any country, and with any product. You don't even need to create the ads yourself. TargetAI does that for us on autopilot. This is the era of AI, my friend, and now with TargetAI, you have a chance to be part of it. Here is the best part. We don't create, record, or edit any videos. We let AI do all of that for us. Within seconds, it will set up for us the perfect campaigns that will generate thousands of clicks for pennies. And not just any traffic. Laser-targeted traffic that is ready to buy whatever you're selling. This is how powerful TargetAI is. And it works in any niche. It doesn't matter if you are trying to promote your affiliate link, Ecom store, your own product, or even your book. TargetAI is for you. Let me show you how it works. TargetAI works in 3 easy steps. Step 1, access. Click on any of the links to get instant access to TargetAI. Step 2, broadcast. Create your buyer's campaign with 1 click. Step 3, profit. That's it. Now you can sit back and relax. Ready to join a proven to work app? Unlike anything else on the market right now, we've put out 110% in creating TargetAI, and we have been successfully using it for the past months with no fail. It was designed to be the life-changing system that you have been looking for. Right now, you have the option to change your life with just a few clicks. We created this for people exactly like you. Are you ready? Click the button below.
Okay, so all of the options that I just talked to you about, plus the bonuses, have an actual, factual, real, honest-to-goodness price of $462. And we're going to take our magic price eraser and make 95% of that go away. Nobody but $5 Friday gives you the opportunity to pick up marketing awesomeness at a 95% discount. So for a teeny tiny budget, you can boost your business. Click the button that makes the most sense for you and your business, and I'll see you on the inside. All right, when I first seen this technology coming into the marketplace about a year and a half ago, I was blown away. And since then, the voices have gotten so much better, and there's so many things to do with it. One of the major ways that you could absolutely blow up your list, your giveaways, is to take regular PLR ebooks and turn them into audiobooks. This technology used to be crazy expensive. The software that you're going to see in a minute is a very good software, okay? And it can do some amazing things. So make sure you look at the page carefully, see all the different types of case studies and the applications you can use it, because at the price you can pick this up today, you really shouldn't pass it by.
Meet VoiceMotions, an artificial intelligent text-to-speech software that makes it extremely fast and easy to create content and voiceovers for marketing, e-learning, documentaries, games, audiobooks, Instagram, TikTok, and more, with emotions. The text-to-speech you've known was robotic and emotionless, leaving your audience bored and disengaged. But that's going to change forever. Say hello to Sarah. I'm one of the many real human-sounding AI voices available inside VoiceMotions AI.
I can get very angry very, very fast, or
I can be extremely cheerful if you like. I can be very friendly if you are using me for creating training or tutorial videos.
or I can be very excited if you are using my voice for a sales video.
If you want me to read something softly, you can use my whispering voice.
And in case you are angry with your friends, you can use my shouting voice.
These are some of the emotions that VoiceMotions AI has for my voice and for many other voices like mine. VoiceMotions AI is a revolutionary AI software that breathes life into your audio content with genuine human emotions. You can use VoiceMotions AI to transform your text into engaging, emotionally charged audio content that truly resonates with your audience, scaling up your content generation 10x faster and cheaper. So, how does VoiceMotions AI work? Step 1. Just enter your text or use Smart Import to split your content into multiple text blocks. Step 2. Select from over 200 plus hyper-realistic, human-like voiceovers in 40 plus languages. VoiceMotions AI provides advanced features to adjust even the tiniest details. You can change pitch, add emphasis, add pauses, and most importantly, add emotions. Really?
Yes, really.
For real.
Absolutely.
Finally, you can add music or sound effects. And done. VoiceMotions supercharges your creativity, providing you with consistent voices for your brand while keeping it within your budget. With VoiceMotions AI, you can create ultra-realistic human-sounding voiceovers in over 100 unique voices, covering a full spectrum of emotions, from joy and excitement to sadness and anger. Customize your projects with a wide range of languages, accents, and emotional tones to make your content truly unique and memorable. Use our built-in AI-powered scriptwriter to effortlessly generate emotionally charged scripts for podcasts, YouTube videos, sales pages, and more. Create engaging, emotion-filled dialogues with VoiceMotions AI's Dialogue Creator, one of the few software that allows you to write and create realistic human dialogues infused with emotions. Convert your content into attention-grabbing audiobooks with the help of our audiobook creator. And finally, enhance your audio with background music and tracks using our mini recording studio feature, giving you a professional sound right at your fingertips. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the magic of VoiceMotions AI for yourself with these sample voices. So, why settle for lifeless, robotic voices when you can captivate your audience with the power of real emotions? It's time to revolutionize your content with VoiceMotions AI, the ultimate AI voiceover solution that lets even a layman create emotionally charged voiceovers in just a few clicks. Get VoiceMotions AI now.
Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover world's first 20-in-1 ChatGPT-powered app suite that enables your need to start, grow, and scale any business in any niche without any technical skills or marketing acumen. Yes, with this first-to-market technology, even newbies can smartly create and sell attention-grabbing marketing content, images, videos, and much, much more for a low one-time price during the launch period. And the best part is, you can do it all without paying exorbitant fees for complicated tools, without paying huge fees monthly to expensive copywriters, without hiring costly video creators, without depending on existing graphic platforms, etc., once and for all. Now, if that got your interest, then you're in for a great surprise today. Presenting AI Hub, world's first 20-in-1 ChatGPT OpenAI powered app suite that does everything: creating plagiarism-free marketing content, eye-catchy graphics, converting text to video, text to image, ChatGPT AI chatbot, keyword to video, keyword to image, corrects grammar, makes image variations, writes product names, interviews, summarizes and explains text, topic outlines, sentiment analysis, proofreading, analogy maker, keyword extractor, ad copy, and spreadsheet generator in just 2 minutes. Here are the complete tools that you get with AI Hub. AI content generator that creates attention-grabbing, plagiarism-free content for any offer in any niche. AI text-to-video generator that generates unique, eye-catchy videos based on given text. AI text-to-image generator that generates a visually appealing set of images based on a given text. ChatGPT AI chatbot that provides an advanced level of Q&A experience to your website visitors. AI keyword-to-video generator that generates a set of images based on a given keyword and merges them into an exciting video. AI keyword-to-image generator that generates a set of beautiful images based on a given keyword. AI grammar correction that reads a block of text and corrects grammatical mistakes. AI image variation generator that generates a set of images visually similar to the given image. AI graphic editor that creates a new image with the help of a given image and a mask along with an instruction to apply the modifications. AI product name generator that generates engaging product names based on a given product concept or idea. AI interview generator that generates interview questions based on a given job position. AI text summarizer that reads a block of text without the need for any specific instructions. It summarizes the text. AI topic outliner that analyzes the given topic and generates an outline for the specific topic. AI text explainer that reads a block of text and simplifies the text without deviating from the context. AI sentiment analysis that reads a sentence or block of text and draws a conclusion on whether the sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. AI proofreading that reads a block of text and corrects spelling mistakes. AI analogy maker that reads a block of text and returns an analogy that describes the text. AI keyword extractor that reads a block of text and returns a set of keywords that best describe the text. AI ad copy generator that generates advert copy by analyzing the description of a product. AI spreadsheet generator that generates spreadsheet based on various sorts of data. Take my word, if you're tired of all the bullcrap going around and want to have a secured financial future, then AI Hub is the happy ending for your search. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. So it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. Click on the button below this video to get AI Hub for the lowest price. Good luck.